Hello mga mamshi! Here's another fast and easy merienda na pwedeng-pwede nating gawin sa bahay. It's tuna pie for today's video. I just need 3 slices of tasty bread, 1 can of tuna, 2 eggs, sliced cheese, breadcrumbs, and cooking oil. Yung tasty bread na flatten na natin kanina using our improvised na roll pin. So, sa pag-assemble ng pie, you have to put yung ating sliced cheese and then yung ating 2 tablespoon of tuna. Then, yun fold yung tasty into half and then isi-sealed natin yan using our tinidor. Then, i-dip natin yan sa scrambled egg at the same time sa ating breadcrumbs. Final step is ipa-fry na natin yan. So, preheat the pan, put certain amount of oil, and then, pag mainit na yan, ilalagay na natin yung ating tuna pie. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. That's it guys, may tuna pie ka na. So, after ng pagluluto, it's sticky man time. Moment of truth. Harap. Ano to? Try this at home mga mamshies, then balikan mo ko kung nagustuhan din ng inyong mga kids. Thanks for watching!